NPP leader and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has ridiculed the Voice of the People party for attacking the government on the issue relating to the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, stating that the latter is unaware of the challenges the government is faced with. Tinsong also asked whether the VPP leaders are aware of the prevailing land tenure system that is one of the reasons for the delay in completion of several road projects.
One of the arguments says that until unless Nhidcl handed over 90% plus of that land, the required land, the contractor or the company will not be able to start the project. So I would like to clarify here, within this month, I'm very sure state government will be able to hand over at least 90% plus of both the district East and Riboy district, and I'm very sure again maybe by next month the project will take off.
One more body was